And okay, hey YouTube, it's PyroPython, coming to you from my local game and card shop. Going to be opening a couple packs of Evolving Skies and hopefully some Berlin Stars. I hope this video goes well. Let's get started. Two, three, four. And I want to start this video by saying if you aren't subscribed, please. The YouTube algorithm is interesting. Fire Energy, Snowleaf, Gordy, Dryless, Nickit, Bromite, Pikachu, Flabébé, Swablu, Zinnia's Resolve, and then Altaria. Now, a little history of the channel. It's relatively new. I've been collecting Pokemon cards for quite some time. And I'm kind of new to this pack opening video thing. Let's see. War Energy, Toy Catcher, Raihan, Avalog, Litleo, Cutie Fly, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Sableye, and a Reverse Hollow. Oh, right, Reverse Hollow Zapdos, and a Drampa. Sorry, technical difficulty. Okay. Okay. And there we go. And sorry for the background noise. My local card shop is having a tournament, a Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh tournament. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Dark Energy. Elemental Badge. Surprisingly, doesn't have any grass. Oh, that's why. Jolteon, Vaporeon, and Flareon. Shieldon, Swoobat, Nickit, Dribble, Lillipup, Rock'n'Roll'em, Wobbuffet, Reverse Hollow Feebas, and a Reverse Hollow Entei. Nice. Come on, Pyro Luck. Come on, Pyro Luck. I know you're in there. I know you're in there. Let's see. Grass Energy, Scrafty, Ursaring, Crystal Cave, Glossiflor, Fletchling, Scraggy, Mareep, Cryogonal, Hollow Ursaring, and Gyarados V. There's the Pyro Look. So, I hope everybody's familiar with the app TikTok. I got by a different name on there than Nightshade, but it's all the same guy. And Lightning Energy, Scroll of Flying Dragon, Crustle, Switching Cups, Chinchou, Petilil, Dino, Tediosa, Feebas, Hollow Zygarde, and Reverse Hollow Moltres. Nice. I'm actually going to put all. Here we go. There. Do like this. Let's see. My channel's name on TikTok is Ben Nightshade. Ben_Nightshade. So if you like funny content, Pokemon content, you name it, I do most of it on that channel. Fire Energy, Boulder, Aromalay, Rescue Carrier, Swablu, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, Carvana, Reverse Hollow Galarian Moltres, and Gigalith. Interesting. I'm gonna put these up here. So if you hear me switching between Pyro look and Nightshade look, it's one and the same, but from both channels. Okay, Psychic Energy, Zinnia's Resolve, Copycat. Surprisingly, they chose different art for her this time. Execute, Emolga, Slackoff, Glossiflor, Love Disc, Fletchling, Reverse Hollow Pumpkaboo, and a Sharpedo. So I'm also on Twitch. So if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, follow me on TikTok, here on YouTube, I would greatly appreciate it. And I would greatly appreciate the thumbs up on the video. So this time, Steel Energy, Braviary, Switching Cups, Tentacruel, Lillipup, Nickit, Bonmite, Pikachu, Flabébé, Reverse Hollow Shopping Center, and Lilligant. Again, I must apologize for the loud noise. They are doing a Yu-Gi-Oh tournament. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Water Energy, Avalok, Rainbow Badge, Redbin Badge, Zweilous, Cutie Fly, Applin, Sableye, Nickit, Bonmite, Holographic, Talonflame, and another reverse hollow is Galarian Zapdos. One, two, three, four. Oh, well, hang on. There we go. Dark Energy, Flaffy, Ribbon Badge, Treasured Energy, Lotad, Rubat, Glass Floor, Feebas, Hippopotas, Psyduck, holographic Psyduck, and an Appleton. You know, with the new Pokemon Scarlet and Violet game, there's gonna be a chef that has all the food Pokemon or food-based Pokemon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy, Golduck. Excuse me. Shake Boost Shake, Wabombi, Swablu, Seedot, Rubat, Eevee, Temple, Reverse Hollow Golduck, and a Gourgeist. Let's see. Right code. 2, 3, 4. Okay, Lightning Energy, Moon and Sun Badge, Pyroar, Vigoroth, Emolga, Hoppip, Pikachu, Pumpkaboo, Rufflet, Wishiwashi Hollow, and a Sylveon V. Okay, that's 2 for 2. I really hope I get the Galarian Articunos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, Fire Energy, Floret, Boulder, Aroma Lady, Litleo, Drowsy, Scrafty, Feebas, Hitmonchan, Reverse Hollow Flabebe, and oh damn, Leafeon VMAX. Nice. That was 3. Oh, I was about to say 3 and back to back, but 4. Fire Energy, Tentacruel, Rubber Gloves, Floret, Cutie Fly, Hitmonchan, Lotad,